Hey there guys, today we're doing another great gift idea for, family members, friends and such. So you want to start out with some raisins, and first you want to measure out how much you need. The exact measurements are down below. Then you want to chop them up a little bit. You don't have to be neat with that, I'm just a weirdo. And then you want to add some rum to that and let that soak for at least 2 hours. Then you want to go ahead and melt your chocolate over some hot water. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and cut down your Christmassy cookies. They can be whatever kind of cookie you like. Basically, just want to crunch them up a little bit. When your chocolate is melted completely, you want to add half of the cookies as well as the raisins into that and mix really, really well. Then you're ready to pour it into your molds. You want to make sure you distribute it evenly. Then you can go ahead and sprinkle the rest of the cookies on top, though it looks kind of cute. And then you want to tap it on the counter so all the air gets out. And then you can let that cool down for at least 4 hours or overnight on a cool spot. I would not recommend putting this in the fridge, just a cool room in your house, and then you're ready to enjoy this. And I think this is very delicious. I gave them away, so I don't know, but I suppose they did taste good. Talk to you tomorrow.